Magnum mix-up. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. No one in suspense over who won, but everyone talking about the loser. Rankin Pumpkin playing the racism card after losing at the May 27 finals.
Rankin Pumpkin on the losing end at the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall finals. She's Japanese, but no Japanese lyrics during Magnum.
Why you didn't give us some lyrics in Japanese?
That cannot happen because of it's Jamaica. I cannot sing Japanese.
Give me some lyrics in Japanese now.
Japanからジャメイカ、ジャパンからジャメイカ。サウンドシステムは音の震源地、やばいゲトは貧しい貧民地、危ない県。
Things going Rankin Pumpkin's way for most of the season, much to the amazement of one judge. But Pumpkin saying sayonara when the votes came in for the last time.
Yes, I'm very sorry about that and disappoint fans.
Last Saturday, you come on the stage, pose like you are a ninja.
The losing finalist revealing she was threatened during the final show.
I left my produce African symbol and I went to some back part of quiet spot and a group of male came to me and one of them come to my ears say, Rankin Pumpkin cannot be win the competition. If you win, we're going to kill you. And some of them say, murder, and some of them have a knife and stab you and thing. And it's flashing remind me that some years ago, Japanese family that living in Mandeville, husband stabbed many times and killed, and flashing my mind. I feel very scared and went to my produce African symbol. I'm very scared. I cannot do that, but him say I should do.
Pumpkin also playing the race card.
Some people were racist towards you.
I believe that, yes.
What they said to you?
Go home and you cannot carry Japanese and there's some winning $1.5 million. Go back Japan and thief in Jamaican culture and thing.
You think Scatter is racist?
Yes, I believe he represents those people who don't like me. So that he's showing that to the public that not everybody should smile and accept you.
But does that mean he's racist or he just doesn't like how you DJ?
I cannot tell about racist. I cannot determine that he is a racist, but I can guess.
If the pumpkin miss, then I go get a coffin.
Some might say being Japanese and bringing an exotic flavor to Magnum was the only reason Rankin Pumpkin lasted so long and staying with Magnum.